Hello everyone, in today's unboxing video we're going to be unboxing a 4-inch WEN lathe chuck. I've actually owned the 8x12 lathe for about a year now, and I have only now picked up a chuck for it. I just got distracted making other stuff and making it in other ways that I just let it slip my mind. And now I finally decided, you know what, I need a chuck. And for some of the future things I plan on making, I can definitely foresee myself needing one, especially if I want to try and make chess pieces and more intricate items. So that's why I finally decided to pick this one up. One thing I noticed right off the bat is it's very heavy. Of course, this is probably standard for any chuck, seeing as how I don't have much experience with chucks. Of course, it seems heavy to me. Alright. Nice foam packaging on the inside for this. Those are the instructions. 4-inch 4-jaw self-centering and lathe chuck. Compatible with all compatible with all WEN wood lathes. That's interesting. Alright. Instructions are sweet and to the point. Now let's take all these parts out here and lay them out. Make sure I have everything. Okay, 2 threaded steel rods. I'm not sure exactly. I think those might be part of the handles. See, there's the chuck itself. And let's see what these things are. Yep. Okay, I was right. These are the handles for the tools to tighten and untighten the chuck. Zip it. There we go. And it looks like it's pretty oily. Let's just get right in there, shall we? Ooh. I won't lie. I'm getting pretty excited. Even though I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to work this. Okay. Alright, well, I'm pretty sure I can figure out how to tighten it onto the lathe, but the trawl mechanism is interesting. Whoa! And this part comes off here, okay. Oh, okay, this is the screw chuck. So if you screw something up, your workpiece into this, the chuck will tighten around that. Okay, so you wouldn't leave this in here. And let's put these tool handles together. Alright, let's read through this here, shall we? Alright, so these are both called chuck keys, and I believe they're the same size, so they're identical. And they go into these holes here. Oh, okay. And that's how the jaws will tighten around your workpiece. Very cool. Again, for those of you just watching, this is the first time I've ever had an experience with a chuck of any kind. So this is all brand new to me. Alright, it seems pretty easy. Now let's mount this onto the lathe. Alright, I got my lathe set up. Let's put this onto the threading. Okay, so first I want to tighten it here. Alright. Okay, it's onto here. tightening this way, opening it up. This is so cool. Wow. I can't believe that I waited so long to finally get something like this. The stuff I could have been making already for you guys. Alright. What do you say we do a demo? I'm going to make a handle, probably for an old kitchen tool like I've done before, and I will make that the demonstration. Alright, so what I decided to make first is some sort of handle of sorts using this large piece of poplar wood. I don't have anything specific in mind with this first thing, just mainly like a handle that could be utilized for, I don't know, maybe a whip or something that I would make as a future project. But right now I'm just going to play with this and see what kind of interesting shapes I can make. I decided not to use this centerpiece that goes into the chuck right now. I feel that I could just, for what I need right now, I could just lock this into place. Alright, for this practice run, I cut another piece of short poplar here. And this time I attached the screw chuck that it came with. All you do is drill in a small like pilot hole that's similar in size to the screw head here, and I just threaded it in by hand and it tightened up. And it goes right in here. I did notice that it tightens up. It feels a lot tighter when I use the screw chuck in the middle too, so it's like an extra stability. I'm not sure if I would always use it, but for this test run I decided to. So what I'm going to try and do for this is make a chest piece. which is something that I really have been wanting to do for a while now. So I want to make my own chess pieces and chessboard. So this will be a nice little practice for that. Let's get started. Alright everyone, there goes the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you appreciated the little demonstration I did for you. Right here you can see the first handle that I made. And then after that I had made a oversized chess piece. And off of this video, in other videos, you can see that I made some hybrid ink dip pens using the chuck. And then also I made this resin and burl egg, which is going to be the top of a cane handle, which you can see in another video as well. All in all, I have to say that I found the lathe pretty good. Again, it's my first experience with a lathe chuck, so my insight onto it is a little bit limited, but I hope that if you end up picking up this chuck, that my unboxing helped you understand it a little bit more, so you could get started a lot quicker with your projects. One thing that I do wish I was able to test out with this chuck would be changing out the teeth to see if it's adaptable. I'm not sure if you can remove these jaws here and put on some other jaws for other purposes onto this chuck. Something I would have to research down the line when I have more funds to pick up all sorts of different attachments and whatnot. But all in all, it's a great investment, I think. It's affordable. This one I only paid around 65 bucks. You could probably get it a little bit cheaper depending on where you go. And also it matches the lathe really nicely. It goes with the color scheme, which, you know, is just cosmetic, but still. And it was really simple to operate. So far I've done about maybe 6 or so projects. So there you have it. I might as well stop now before I just keep on rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know some more things you'd like to see me unbox or try out in the shop. Until next time, cheers.